We have a fairly weak storm coming in, and I'm getting my shoes wet. Damn. My socks are going to be soaked from all this, but oh well. Rain's not that bad. It's a little bit heavy, but nowhere near as bad as it really could be. Okay, yeah, I'm starting to get wet here. I'm going back in. Or I could just do this. Door. Yay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there goes some lightning. If you couldn't hear that, then you must be extremely deaf. Huh. It's starting to flood now. Guess we are starting to get heavy rains. It is a slow-moving system, so yeah. I doubt anything will be severe level today. So, Alright, I guess I might as well just go ahead and put it up and do whatever.